Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another Easter project. Today we're making these cute stuffed Easter eggs. These simple stuffed shapes are an easy way to decorate your space for Easter and spring. Fill your bowls or baskets, or use them for your tiered tray decor. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com, where you'll find plenty of sewing and crafting projects. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this project with step-by-step instructions, cutting measurements, photos, and the printable template. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started on your very own stuffed Easter eggs today. I've added a link in the description below this video. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you'll need fabric, fiber fill, pinking shears, and the printable egg template. First, cut out the template and place a piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, add another piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the template in the middle of the fabric stack and pin it in place. Stitch the egg together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space open for stuffing. Take your time going around the egg. Remove the paper template and use pinking shears to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching line. Use the opening to stuff the egg with fiber fill, filling it as full as desired. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening and stitch it closed. Then readjust your stuffing, and for a neater look, retrim the opening with your pinking shears. And just like that, just that fast, we have cute stuffed Easter eggs to decorate for Easter time, of course, and for any spring event. If you'd like to see more easy projects like this one with digital patterns you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video. See you next time with another project.